Hello everyone, my name is Niputel Widiantasya, a student of Universitas Teknokraт Indonesia, majoring in Business Management with NPM 244111075. In this video, I am going to discuss one of the most fundamental topic in business law, which is business contract law, focusing on its principle, validity, and legal consequence. Contracts are the backbone of every business activity, wherever we are buying products, renting property, significant an employment agreement, or entering into international trade. Contracts govern our right and obligation. Through this presentation, I will explain what the business contract is, the legal principle that underlie it, the condition that make it valid, and the concept when one of the parties breaks the agreement. Okay, number one, definition and importance of business contract. A business contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties that outlines the term and condition of their business relationship. It serves as a record or promise made by both sides, the seller and the buyer, the employer and the employees, or the lender and the borrower. The main purpose of a business contract is to provide clarity, prevent disputes, and protect both parties from potential loss or misunderstanding. Without clear contract, many business transactions will rely only on trust, which can easily lead to conflict. Therefore, contract law plays an essential role in maintaining courtesy, fairness, and trust in the business world. Number two, legal principle of contract law. Contract law is built upon several fundamental legal principles that ensure fairness and balance between parties. The first one is the principle of freedom of contract, which means that every individual or business has the right to make agreements as long as they don't violate public order, morality, or existing law. The second is the principle of good faith or bona fide. Both parties are expected to act honestly, not hiding important fakes or misleading each other. The third principle is concealment, meaning that a contract becomes valid once both parties reach an agreement, even before it's written down, as long as there's mutual consent. Next, we have the binding fourth principle, which states that a contract legally binds the parties involved just like a law. Once you say it, you must fulfill it. And last, the principle of equality, which means both parties in a contract have equal legal standing. One cannot force unfair terms on the other. These principles collectively ensure that business contracts are fair, voluntary, and enforceable. And next, types of business contract. Business contracts come in many forms depending on their function and nature. Some common examples include: number 1, sales contracts, which regulate the sale and purchase of goods or service, and employment contracts, outlining the relationship between employers and employees. And next, lease agreements involving property or equipment rentals, and loan contracts where one party provides money or goods with the expectation of repayment. And franchise and partnership agreement, which define cooperation between two business entities. Each contract types carry specific rights and obligations. For example, in a sales contract, the seller must deliver the product in good condition and the buyer must pay on time. Understanding the type of contract help us apply the correct legal rules when dispute arise, and breach of contract and legal consequence. A breach of contract occurs when one of the parties fails to perform their obligation as stated in the agreement. This can take various forms such as non-performance, late performance, or faulty performance. For example, a supplier fails to deliver goods on time, or a buyer refuses to pay after receiving the product. Both are considered breach, and according to Article 1243 of the Civil Code, the injured party has the right to demand compensation for loss suffered. The available legal remedies include number one, compensation for damage, conferring financial and moral loss, and specific performance, which for the breaching party to fulfill their obligation, and termination of the contract, especially when the breach is severe. In business practice, it's always better to resolve conflict through negotiation. Next, the role of contract law in business ethics. Contract law does not only regulate legality, it also reflects business ethics. A fair and transparent contract shows that a business values honestly and professional. In the long run, ethical business practice lead to consumer trust, investor confidence, and sustainable success. Therefore, every business professional must understand contract law not just to avoid disputes but to build integrity and credibility in all transactions. To conclude, contract law is the foundation of every business activity. It ensures that agreements are made fairly, ensures responsibility, and protect legally. Understanding business contract law help us as future business professionals to make informed decisions, avoid legal risks, and maintain ethical standards. Remember, a well-made contract is not just a piece of paper, but a commit built and trust, clarity, and respect. Thank you for watching my presentation about business contract law, principle, validity, and legal consequence. I hope this explanation provides a clear understanding of how contracts work in business and why legal awareness is essential for success. Have a great day and see you in the next presentation.